Yeah, let's start. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the webinar activity this evening. Introducing, my name is Dylan Fernando as the moderator of this evening's activity. How are you guys doing? Ladies and gentlemen, or my friends, I hope you are in condition. Okay, this webinar, theme of the discussion that will be presented by the natural presenters is about dreams or goals. Said to me, there are presenters who present the material they have made. The first speaker be presented by Mbak Ananda Sofia. Okay, for Mbak Ananda Sofia, are you ready to present your material?
Yes, I ready.
Okay, the screen is yours.
Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening. Hello, everyone. Thank you for the time given to me. My introduction is Ananda Sophia, and here I will tell you a little about my ideas. Before that, I tell you a little about my hobby. From childhood, my hobby is was drawing. I was inspired by my father. Until now, I'm still developing my drawing because from childhood I draw manually. Until now, I still live when drawing with digital method, and this is my PR to continue learning but from manual method to digital method. After listening to the story of my hobby, we continue to mine points with its like goal. Now I'm currently a vocational high school student who is enrolled in the cafe, uh, vocational or visual communication design. Now, now from here I used to manual to digital design, and from here I had aspired or wanted to become a designer. But because it was only temporarily planning it to work out, that there was a very different fight from what I had experienced too. And the conclusion is that I'm now in the process of entering the band or Polytechnic Electronica degree, Surabaya. Maybe from the beginning, like art, and then must be with difficult to understood, but I am sure there must be, conflict that I can benefit from apart from my initial planning, namely designer. So, in conclusion, for my own ideal, I still can strive for sure because of the desires and confidence. I am careful, I think about it. Thank you. Maybe I can tell you about the topic of ideal this evening. Maybe there are questions that can be answered. Really, thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Back to Mr. Julian.
Okay, thank you for Mbak Ananda Sofia, the material that have been presented. Okay, for the question, is there any question for Mbak Ananda Sofia material? Maybe Mas Tazen Rahman, do you have any question? Okay, if there's no question for such a material, maybe we can continue to the next participant for Mas Nazan Rahman, ready to send your material.
Okay, I'm ready, Mr. Julian.
Okay, the screen is yours.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Julian, for the opportunity. Introduce, my name is Nanda Jena Rahman. Speaking of dreams, when I was little, I wanted to be a professional soccer player, like my idol in Indonesia, Bambang Pamungkas. And I wanted to defend the Indonesian national team like him. When I was in grade 3 junior high school, I entered a soccer school in Tanjung Selor. I practiced every day, but when I was 70 years old, I changed my mind to become a pussynimist and focus on studying at Penn Surabaya. But I will continue to practice soccer and continue to study so that I can realize my dream. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for Miss Asnat Ahmad presentation presented. Maybe is there any question for Asnat Surya? Second question, please unmute mic or chat chat June. Okay, I just a question for Sandra Zain Rahman or Safia. Maybe we can close this meeting because we have a lot of to do. Therefore, thank you so much for the participating in the meeting. I hope you guys have a good day and see you next time. Bye bye.
Thank you, Mr.
Thomas.
Julian.
Thank you for Sandra.